Today, we're about to embark on a unique journey into the story of a seemingly simple vegetable, the carrot. This common food item, which finds its way into most meals, holds a fascinating backstory about farming methods, cultivation techniques, and the tireless efforts of farmers across Asia. While many might see carrots as an easy-to-grow and common crop, it's astounding to know that each year, Asian farmers produce up to 19 million tons of carrots. This massive yield doesn't just meet local demand, it supports international exports around the world. Each carrot that reaches our plates goes through numerous stages of care, with each step reflecting both the creativity and hard work of those who cultivate them. Every crop requires a specific environment to thrive, and carrots are no exception. In order to yield high-quality, productive carrot fields, climate and soil conditions are crucial. In Asia, China leads in carrot production, especially in regions like Hebei and Shanxi. These areas have fertile alluvial soil and a mild climate, ideal for carrot growth. With thick soil layers rich in nutrients, carrots here grow large, straight, and boast a deep orange color. In Japan, carrot fields in Hokkaido are renowned for their high quality due to a cooler climate and consistent rainfall. The mineral-rich soil, coupled with meticulous cultivation practices, results in carrots that not only meet high standards but also have a unique sweetness and aroma. Hokkaido is also known for its multicolored carrot varieties, including purple, yellow, and white, a visual difference that adds appeal to meals but maintains the same nutritional benefits. Every carrot farmer understands that to harvest the perfect crop, soil preparation is critical. The first step is clearing the land, not only removing roots and weeds but ensuring the soil is airy and has the right moisture level. Carrots are sensitive to soil conditions. If the soil is too compact, carrots may struggle to grow, becoming misshapen or broken. Therefore, careful soil tilling and aeration allow the carrots to grow straight and reach their full size potential. Throughout the growth cycle, farmers pay careful attention to watering and fertilization. In different parts of Asia, farmers use a variety of methods to keep the plants hydrated without causing waterlogging. Many adopt drip irrigation techniques to provide just the right amount of water without eroding the soil surface. Fertilization is also essential. Organic fertilizers help carrots develop a richer color and sweeter taste. Farmers also focus on pest control, as carrots, with their roots deep in the soil, are vulnerable to damage if not adequately protected. Season after season, farmers gain invaluable experience in controlling pests and safeguarding their crops. During harvest season, farmers move into the most crucial phase of the cycle. With carrots, timing is key. If left too long, they may lose sweetness, become tough, and even lose their vibrant color. To pick the perfect moment, farmers examine each carrot's maturity. Experienced farmers can gauge the ripeness and quality just by touch or sight. Harvesting must be done delicately to avoid damaging the carrots. Some farmers use traditional hand tools to pull each carrot carefully, ensuring they don't snap or bruise, while larger-scale farms use advanced machinery to save time and labor. Modern harvesting equipment boosts productivity and minimizes product losses. Technology has transformed the way Asian farmers harvest and produce carrots. With advanced equipment, farmers can cover hundreds, even thousands of square meters of farmland in a short time. Technology not only aids harvesting but also assists with sorting and packaging directly in the field. Automated sensors help identify carrots that meet standards for size and color. which are then packaged according to high-quality requirements, ready for export. An essential step in getting carrots to consumers is the process of transportation and preservation. After harvesting, carrots are cleaned, sorted, and packaged either in the fields or at packing facilities. Modern preservation technology, including vacuum packing and controlled atmospheres, keeps carrots fresh for longer. For exported carrots, strict preservation practices are crucial to maintain quality during long-haul shipments. Behind each carrot lies a story of perseverance and love for the craft among Asian farmers. Many families have been in carrot farming for generations, passing down the knowledge and passion. These farmers don't just work to make a living but take pride in providing quality, safe produce that benefits the health of communities. They understand that every carrot they grow has the potential to be a meal, a source of joy, and a means of health for millions. Though carrot farming holds great potential, it faces challenges from climate change to rising quality demands. Asian farmers are working to adopt new plant varieties and advanced cultivation techniques to increase productivity while protecting the environment. Moving forward, the combination of sustainable agriculture and digital technology will be essential, not only to boost yields but to safeguard resources and ensure long-term growth in agriculture.